let's do some lighting stuff. Okay, अच्छा मैं क्या लाइट करूँ इस पे? अच्छा, do we have any other question, Anirudh? No.
Yes, it's from Daniel. It's from Malaysia.
Yes, Daniel. Yeah.
Yeah. May I know what's the website you normally rely on for finding highest texture images sources?
Oh,
Because
very good.
for
Very
me,
good question.
I go to Google Images, but
No.
it's normally low res.
Yeah. We use Flickr, we use Shutterstock, we use Pinterest. Depends, dude. Depends, Daniel. I mean, sometimes we have to make also. We didn't. Somehow we have to shoot also. We have to took our camera, go out, and then shoot, and then take the camera, take the textures in our painting. So this is not a particular answer. I don't have any particular answer for you. I mean, this is very subjective. Depends, what happens sometimes. I mean, this is very frankly thing that sometimes what happens that we are looking for any top angle area kind of texture, which is rarely available in the internet. High res. I'm talking about the high res textures, because every time we need 4K, 6K, 10K, 12K textures, for the quality and all. So it's not available in the internet. I mean, don't rely on Google. Google is a very basic stuff, not for our professionals every time. Yeah, sometimes it helps a lot, but not every time. So try some other sites also. They may need login and all, some, and even in our companies, they provide they have a very good image library, and they have a good image library. They provide shoot references. Anirudh, you also
Yes.
they provide very good shoot references. I mean, whenever they shoot anything, they went they came up with some some references, some still images, still references and all. Okay, so I'm started painting some highlights there, right? So this is
Sandeepan,
bolo na.
we have another question. If we are doing illustration, then why don't we use Adobe AL? I mean, I think it should be AI. Yeah.
AI.
Illustrator. Yeah. Rather than using Adobe Photoshop.
Correct. Actually, what happened is both are very different. What is AI and what is
Photoshop?
ESD? Yes, both are very different software and both has a different approach. If we want to do illustration only in vector graphics, we will definitely use AI. But when we want to do this kind of stuff, are you able to do this painting stuff in Illustrator? No, not possible. So this is very, depends. Whenever I know this is as per requirement, but I mostly use for vector graphics. I definitely use Illustrator. But for the raster graphics thing, I think you know what is raster and vector, because you are asking about AI. So for vector thing, we are definitely using AI, Adobe Illustrator. That is also software from, for other people. Let me know. This is also a good software from Adobe. Adobe has a very good options on Adobe Illustrator. तो मैं Adobe Illustrator में हम लोग जब भी कोई डिजाइनर काम करते हैं, वो मेनली वेक्टर ग्राफिक्स वाला जो काम होता है उसके लिए ही करता है. बाकी ये जो है, ये दिस इज कॉल्ड रास्टर ग्राफिक्स, इज बिट टेक्निकल. ये थोड़ा सा, इसके लिए थोड़ा सा स्टडी चाहिए होगा सबको. अगर सबको समझ में ना आए, इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, वो पढ़ के आपको पता चलेगा कि ये दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है. तो अलग अलग रिक्वायरमेंट, उसके लिए अलग अलग सॉफ्टवेयर. I think we are getting the highlight properly because the light coming from the left side as per this thing. So I'm thinking this highlights. हाँ, मैं और एक चीज मैं बोलना चाहता था कि what happened कि this paintings, what happens, some people don't think this is a good design. Some people don't think this is not designing. Designing things means that hardcore, that brochure or ye or wo kind of thing. But this is not proper designing. But what happened that what I am believing that if we are writing something, if we are doing the signature also, that is also a design. So design is everywhere. Everything is design. So here we have added some light. It was like very flat before. We can get the directional light here, and
Checking that.
okay.
Yeah,
Because
another question from Utsav Sarthel. Sir, can we make CGI image and where? I think this question is a bit unclear, right?
this for that we have to learn what is CGI and how the process will go, because this is not like there is a single software, you just click 2 or 3 clicks and you get the output. It's not like that. It's a very long process, and you have to learn it. It has some courses, and you have to learn it properly to understand that how the CGI images will created. Na?
Yes, the question is how to get realistic lighting. Do you use calculations with lines, etc.? Sandipan.
This is how the sense works. Your visual sense, your observation sense, and yeah, technically sometimes we use the lines and all. We sometimes use the CG elements for all, but yeah, basically the sense. Now what I am doing, like I did this black and white thing just to just by using 1 or 2 images, because when I have seen this images, I got the reference that how the light will react, how the light will hit, what will be the shadow color, what will be the light color. So this kind of.
Okay, this is from Ayan. Okay.
Acha, Ayan.
What is your way or approach to creating dynamic lighting?
Depends actually. There is not a what happened. This is not the field where we can say that this is the way. There is not a single way to do anything. Yeah. First of all, what I generally I do that I was looking. I spend more time on reference. I spend if I am doing a work of maybe I have maybe 6 hours for a work, I maybe spend 2 hours, 2 or 3 hours to gather the references to understand how it will look like and all. So I mean, I spend more time. I spend more time on references. So after that, not any painting references, maybe some real kind of references. I mean this kind of stuff, right? I always use this kind of this is not my angle looks like, my camera angle looks like, or but the time of lighting is like this. So I'm using that from there I got the inspiration for the lighting. And after that I incorporated my sense of lighting, my color sense, because what I am doing is I am a good I try to incorporate my color sense every time, color sense, light sense on my artwork. So yeah, this is the process how I work. I think I didn't miss anything. I don't.
Yeah, actually, even I find it completely depends on
Yeah, artist to artist, even composition to composition also as well. Yeah,
और
and
एक चीज लाइक मेरा ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या है, मैं चीजों को कैसे देखता हूँ, वो भी डिपेंड करता है कि ऑब्जर्वेशन को मेरे हाथ से कैसे एक्सप्रेस करूंगा. ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर आई मीन for approaching dynamic lighting and all. Yes, so observation is also very much important, right?
yeah. Look, what happened that if someone tell you that like just can you please draw apple for me? If you never see how the apple looks like, how can you draw the apple?
Yeah.
That is my simple question. Just you tell me, is it possible to draw an apple if you don't know how the apple looks like? So what happened कि हम लोग क्या करते हैं basically, sorry. So what happened that we did the R&D on it. What is R&D? R&D is called research and development. So we spent time on that particular topic, the particular time, even time means the lighting time, or the particular geometry, or geography, or everything, actually everything. We studied on it. We tried to get more knowledge about that particular topic and then started doing the artwork. So this will be the process for me.
Yes.